Ito na naman kami, Batangas. Ano to? Laya. Hindi ako muna, ban. Ay, teka. Tingnan mo nga yung mga pintuan, baka ganun mo. Ito kami guys. Mababala naman kami dyan. Right, let's go.
Yan ang bahay ni Zainab eh. Dati.
Zainab, ex ko yun. Uy, ba't may putik? Right. Wow. Kita niyo yan guys. Ayan. Bilangin mo yan ha. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 step na tayo guys. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 6, 7, 8, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ay, Zainab oh. Bahay ni Zainab oh.
Saan?
Ayun oh. May salamin.
Ito?
Oo, yan.
Kay Zainab yan?
Ano? Binenta niya na yan eh.
Ay, hindi na kay Zainab yan.
Lighter ka dyan, di ba kayo?
Yan. Malakas alon, no? Malakas alon.
May bato ba doon nakapakan?
Ayan na, guys.
Oo, yun yan.
Batangas. Ano to? Batangas Laya?
Mga Batangas Laya.
Okay. Yan ang step natin. Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 6, 8, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 4, 75, 6, 7, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 100 na dito. Ay. One, two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 guys. Ganda na nature dito.
Last step.
8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 50, 150, 200 din mahigit. Aray ko. Okay na guys. Ito kami galing nun. Alright. Binagyo pala siya. Opo.
Hi, hello, Kuya.
Ng daming promos and sales ngayon sa mga malls. From clothing brands to daily essentials. Actually, I don't even plan to spend today. Kaso
Tour ko kayo
sobrang laki
dito,
ng mga
guys.
discount and halos 50% yung sale. Sayang naman. Kaka-restock ko lang din kasi ng groceries.
Ito si Arnela.
And next week pa yung payday. Buti na lang, I have my Attorney card with me. Sobrang laking tulong. I get to pay for what I need without stressing in the moment. I get zero interest on my monthly purchases.
Teacher ang loob niya.
I can split them into 3 or 6 monthly installments. Sobrang happy ko kasi I have my Attorney card to remind me in times like this. Sobrang really like it na isa itong ginagawa. One bite, I would like to remind you. Pero ang reality is your everyday kindness. I know how to do it. And yet, ang tutulong
Friends, uy, oy, Toyd. Bata lang, guys. Alright. Bas na ako. Doon ako galing. Wow. Wow. Sure na. Ay, taas ng tubig. Sarap maligo, guys. Wow. Hindi ko ba na, no? Wow. Snappy. Oh. Ganda rito.